Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Imagine bringing a truly gourmet experience right into your own kitchen. Cooking fresh, delicious eel at home is not only possible, it's also surprisingly straightforward. This incredible dish offers a wonderfully rich umami flavor, coupled with a satisfyingly tender texture that's truly unique. Forget expensive restaurant bills. You can create a memorable meal, impressing yourself and your guests with just a few simple steps. It's an adventure for your taste buds, waiting to happen. Our journey to delicious eel begins with sourcing, which is absolutely crucial. Whether you opt for fresh or frozen, always choose high-quality eel from a reputable fishmonger who prioritizes responsible sourcing. Once you have your eel, careful preparation is next. This involves thoroughly cleaning it, removing any slime, and then expertly portioning it into manageable pieces. This initial step sets the stage, ensuring your cooking process is smooth, and your final dish is incredibly satisfying and safe to enjoy. For many, kabayaki is the quintessential way to enjoy eel, offering an irresistible balance of sweet and savory. This classic Japanese method involves butterflying and deboning the eel, then grilling or broiling it to perfection while repeatedly basting with a rich, sweet soy-based tare sauce. The heat caramelizes the sauce, creating a beautifully lacquered, slightly crispy skin and an incredibly tender, succulent flesh. It's a truly authentic and deeply satisfying experience that highlights the eel's natural flavors. While kabayaki is a beloved classic, don't hesitate to explore other fantastic ways to prepare eel. You could try pan-frying small portions, creating a wonderfully crispy skin that contrasts beautifully with its tender interior, perfect for a quick, flavorful dinner. Eel also shines when gently stewed in a rich broth, absorbing all those delicious flavors, or even smoked, which imparts a completely unique depth. Each method offers a distinct culinary experience, inviting you to experiment in your kitchen. Once your delicious eel is perfectly cooked, a thoughtful presentation makes all the difference. Serve your kabayaki eel traditionally over a bed of warm, steamed white rice, garnished with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds and perhaps some vibrant Sancho pepper. For other preparations, a fresh green salad or lightly blanched vegetables can provide a wonderful contrast. Take a moment to truly savor the unique flavors and textures you've brought to life, enjoying the remarkable satisfaction of your culinary achievement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.